Day 7. Rest. Peace in busy lives. Welcome to a daily refresh with God. Here you are safe, you are seen, you are loved. Take a deep breath and invite God into this very moment. Ask Him to quiet the noise around you and within you so you can hear His voice and rest in His presence. Lord, you are the shepherd who makes me lie down in green pastures. You lead me beside quiet waters and restore my soul. God, I often run too fast and forget to rest. Father, I confess that I fill my days with endless activity, leaving little room for stillness with you. Teach me to slow down and find rest in your presence. Remind me that my worth is not in how much I accomplish, but in being your child. Help me release the pressure to always do more and instead embrace the gift of Sabbath rest. As I pause today, refresh my mind, renew my body, and restore my soul. Let me find true peace not in empty distractions, but in abiding with you, the source of rest. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. God's rest is waiting for you. Take it today. God is with you today. Rest in His presence. How will you choose rest in God today? Share below. We are happy to pray for you.